All right, DIYers, I took off the O-ring. It's in real good shape, so I'm going to reuse this O-ring. I was going to purchase a new one, but no need to. And I'll be putting the thermostat, the new one, back on here in a few minutes. Here it is. This is the new one. It's came to me in one piece. So happy about that. Should be easier putting on than it was taking off. So, alrighty. Okay, DIYers, I'm going to put on around just a thin coating of the multi-purpose synthetic grease. I read that it would be okay for me to do that. So I'm just going to put a thin layer on for insulation. It's waterproof and all that good stuff. So got it from Amazon. So I'm going to put it here on the outside of the thermostat. So do a thin coating. Doesn't have to be too thick. So that should be okay. Thin layer of the synthetic grease. See, good stuff. Thin layer of the multi-purpose synthetic grease. There we go. Okay. All right, I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll put it, we'll put the thermostat on. I love the fact it came in one piece. So all the videos I ever watched, when they placed the thermostat, was in two different pieces. So, all right. Okay, DIYers, I use anti-seize on all of my bolts. It's copper anti-seize. It's a lubricant, so I use it on since I've taken all my bolts off, all my bolts going back on. I'm using it on all of my bolts. FYI. Okay, this is going to be a little tricky getting it back on, so going to use a screwdriver because that O-ring is pretty stiff. So I'm gonna have to push up and get that O-ring. I may have to adjust my camera. Let me do that. Okay, hopefully I have enough leverage to get this. Let's see. Oh, almost there. Okay. That looks about right. Let me line up my, see if I can line up my holes to get this back on. Let me see. Okay, so I still got to push up. Yeah, Yeah, that O-ring's gonna be a little tricky. It's a little tough. Let's see. Let me try to do it from the back. And come forward. I'm gonna have to tie off this hose. Keep it out of the way. Let me do that. Okay, I'm gonna try this from the back to the front. Let's see what happens. I got grease all over. Okay, let's try this again. Let's see. That O-ring. It's gonna be rough. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna try to push the O-ring down. I gotta reposition my camera though because it's in the way, so I apologize. All right, let's see if we can get it. Puncture it. God, I have no leverage at all. This is tough. Let me put some grease. I didn't even think about it. Let me put some of that synthetic grease on the O-ring. Maybe it'll slip on better that way. I didn't even think about that. Okay, now let's try it. I put some of that synthetic grease on the O-ring, so maybe it'll slip on like that. See what happens. Go from the back to the front. Bingo, that's what it was. That's synthetic grease. I don't even know why I didn't think about that before. Makes sense. So the grease, because it was just going rubber to the plastic and it was tough. So the synthetic grease opened it up. So that'll work. All right, let me get this hose on from the rear. And we'll put the other hose on from the front. Get this bad boy on. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay, I gotta make sure those holes line up. See. Pull this down. Okay, let me put this hose. Okay, I gotta make sure that lines up. Get this bungee cord off. Okay. Let me get all the hoses in first, and that may line it up. See, I think I'm gonna put some of that synthetic grease on as well, so that way I won't have no problems when it comes off next time. Okay, I had to adjust my camera. I had noticed that it was blurry, so I cleaned the lenses. Hopefully now it's not blurry anymore. I had noticed it was blurry. Just caught it. I'm not sure how long it had been blurry for, but yeah. All right, let's get this in. Okay, that's a little tough. Lining up. I'm gonna get it. I'm not worried, I'm gonna get it. So, let me get this in here. Once I get the holes in, I could have a little bit more leverage. I can't use both my hands, or I'm trying to. Let me see. Okay. Boom. That helped. Okay, that helped line it up a little bit more. A little bit better. Okay, I think I'm going to start my top. Let me see. That's there, that's there, that's there. It's not lining up though. Let's see. Okay, DIYers. Yesterday when I was putting in my thermostat, actually a guy saw me working on my car, and he was with his family. He came up to me and was telling me, he said, I'm a former Honda technician. I'm admiring your second generation Honda. He says they're the best and easiest to work on. So he saw what I was doing. He says, are you good? And I said, yeah. I said, I'm just having a little bit of problems getting the pipe to come over the thermostat. And he gave me a helpful tip, which was awesome. I got to share it with you. What he showed me is this pipe right here, right? This pipe can move. So he showed me the screw here. If you take out this bolt here, and there's another one back here that you could take out on the engine. Okay, it's can't see it, but it's right back here. There's another one right back here that you can take out on the engine, and that frees up the entire this will move. Okay, so I freed it up, in 5 minutes later I was able to get this on in here, flushed and everything. So helpful tip. You never know how God's gonna work, and it was a blessing. I just wanted to share that short tip with you guys. All right,